Okay guys, let's run some dirt today. It's a new day. And we didn't find any gold under that big boulder. So we may be done with site number 2. We're going to start testing the perimeter edges of that like we did with site number 1. This material is on the downstream side. This is bucket number 1 of hole number 2. We're kind of determining that the gold is a recent deposit up to 15 to 18 inches deep maybe. Recent flood gold. We're looking for that elusive gold today. Where are we going to find it? Are we going to find it? We don't know. Beautiful morning today on the claim. It's like 46, 47. Chance of rain today. You can see fall is in the air. The trees are starting to turn. Just beautiful. Sandy's down there working. If there's gold, we're going to find it. We'll bring you back here in a few minutes. Okay, prospectors, we're about ready to finish this bucket here. Can't really tell. Can't see anything there. This is 1 to 12 inches down, right on the top edge of number 2 downstream. Got some lead in there. It's a good sign. Guys. Oh, here comes the rain. We're gonna pause. Got a little rainstorm, guys. We're sitting inside the Ranger right now. There's the rain coming down. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That's awesome. Okay guys, we got about Now 8 pieces in that last bucket. Not bad. We're going to go ahead and run our next bucket of the same material right next to it. Okay, here we go, bucket number 2 from the crosscut downstream of number 2. First bucket had some nice color in it. Guys, we'll bring you back in a few minutes here when we're about ready to wrap this bucket up. We are done with this bucket. Let's go ahead and wrap it up here. Go ahead and empty out. And we'll bring you back at the panning. So yesterday I talked to Jeff at Geosluice Mining, the owner and the designer of the product, and I've ordered a larger high banker. It's the Geo high banker. It's like 48 inches long, 4 feet long, deeper riffles. So next time up, next month, we might be using that one. Actually, we'll probably be using it at home first. You'll be seeing it come up here in the near future. Got some mica in here. Seems like where we find mica, we find gold here on this claim. All right. At all the reflections of the clouds, so it's kind of casting weird shadows here. It's a pretty good little test pan we had the last bucket. We've got some lead showing up. That's a good sign. That's a piece of lead right here. Another piece right there. All the heavies up there. There's a piece of gold right there. We came here yesterday evening at dusk. It was beautiful. We walked up on a couple of the hills. Didn't see our guard deer though. They're probably off duty. They're on a contract with the Forest Service. And Sandy's down there working in the creek. She's getting more buckets. By the way, guys, she chooses to do that. I don't make her dig that. She could stop whenever she wants, but she just loves to dig. She is a digger. And we got gold. Okay guys, here's what we have. Another nice little test pan. There's probably, oh, I don't know, probably 15 colors in there. A couple big ones, a lot of fines. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oops, get it in the camera, Doug. There we go, guys. Let's go ahead and run the next bucket right next to this in the crosscut. Third bucket on the crosscut. This has got a lot more organics. Last bucket of the crosscut gave us some nice color. So we've had 2 buckets with nice color in them. I'm good with that. Good with that. Sandy's up exploring on the claim. She found an old dump up there on the side of a mountain. Sandy's back from her adventure up on the mountain.
And then right to the other side, right to the south of that big hole, there was dig that hole. Maybe something went on up there. Picnic.
Picnic. We got Micah. Lead. Hiding behind those little rocks.
I want to do 3 more buckets then.
Okay guys, we got about like a dozen finds. On to the next bucket.